gotta watch this video.
This is funny.
There's a fence about as tall as that he jumped, and then I just went through it. I said fuck it and just plowed through it. It was funny.
Today's video is about Mr. Teron DeStephen Parks. On October the 7th, 2024, at approximately 1:13 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the area of Solvent Avenue and Clareton Avenue on a call about a person with a gun pointing it at vehicles as they drove by. An officer responded to the area and located Mr. Parks, identified him as the suspect, and attempted to stop and talk to him. Unfortunately, Mr. Parks did not want to talk and took off running while wearing a black hoodie and black ski mask.
Hey Bauer, where you at?
Solvent and Clareton, I got him here on the southwest corner. Solvent and Clareton. Run west through the houses. Run south on Clareton, jumping fences. South on Clareton, jumping fences.
Get on the fucking ground now! Run it back west. Male black hoodie. Get on the ground now! Get on the fucking ground! Don't fucking move!
I copy, sir. On Union.
They got him coming.
Why are you so liking me?
Good, all right?
Yep. Going to dig this property. Dig it.
Good person.
Yep. And
You're better, guy.
yeah, he was just something.
Yep.
Yep.
Right there. What was he? What he did stuff?
I didn't do something back here. I'm scared. I don't know. Jump this fence here.
This one?
Yep. Price, this is yours?
Yeah.
I borrow it, it's the back seat.
So you want to get? I got him. Trying to get close on him.
Huh?
Which way did you run?
So,
Why did you run? I don't even know.
yeah, I'll show you here in a minute. Why'd you run?
Where's the gun so no kid picks it up and shoots himself?
I am a gun.
Okay.
Promise.
So why would people say male black light color pants, ski mask has a gun point, of course?
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright.
Where'd you guys first pick him up at?
Saw included.
I picked him up right here, Dallas. He's running through the house right here.
Well, here, somebody switch with Bauer, and Bauer can walk us the cut that he saw.
A firearm was located by tracing back the route Mr. Park used when he fled from officers. He has a previous conviction for rape, meaning he was no longer allowed to possess a firearm. So he was arrested and charged with weapons under disability.
$33.
Got it?
Yep. $82 on that. There's the fence on top of it.
Odin?
Yeah. Also have his phone.
Where was that?
I put it in my pocket.
Like, where was it?
It was on him.
Oh.
I grabbed it out of his pocket.
Good job.
What are you tackling?
Yeah. That's the wrong fucking mag or size, I think. Or it's backwards. Is it backwards?
No. No, I think it's right.
Huh.
I think it's just fucked up.
Nobody else in the house but him.
Yeah. Alright.
Covered in blood right now. I feel like it's because it's directed
Hey,
down.